guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm going right into this tutorial today. If you all would like a detailed video of how I like the consistency and volume developer I use for bleaching my knots, check out how to bleach your knots video on my channel. And it's starting to bleach more than I want it to. So now I'm just gonna go in and rinse it out. Okay, so I didn't show here, but I already sprayed the hair. I do not like to dry pluck. It just sounds so horrible to me, so I like to wet the hair and then pluck. And right here, I wanted to zoom in so you all could get a better view of how I'm plucking. Please make sure that you're paying attention to how I'm plucking. I do not, my thing was moving. I do not like to pluck in one spot continuously. So as you see, I'm moving from one spot to another. You do not want to pluck in the same spot continuously. That is how you get bald spots. right here, I'm just combing all the hair back to see what it looks like and if I prefer to pluck it more. But right here, I'm just showing you all what one side looks like plucked versus the other not being as plucked. If you all thought this video was helpful, please give it a thumbs up and make sure you all subscribe. Talk to you all soon. Bye.